Well, I'm on my way, 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 I'm on my way.
Well, that was interesting. A lovely little island spot. It was calm a little bit for a little while. Last night was beautiful. Just cut up nasty. A cold front storm going through, lots of thunder and lightning, and one of our raft aft lines broke and sent our whole raft drifting quite dangerously towards the beach. So it was a mad panic, and we've all cut loose, heading for some shelter up near Fethiye. We've got 24-25 knots of wind and white caps, and we're all leaving. So we're just leaving Butterfly Valley, where we had a very rolly overnight and most uncomfortable, not much sleep. The swell just keeps slapping the boom side to side, and yeah, really uncomfortable. And we've had to make a decision. This is the region of Turkey where we will be spending most of the winter. And we're deciding that while there's a little bit of autumn left, we're going to head north and do some exploring further up from which we've come. Hopefully we also need to secure our visas, which we now have an appointment with the immigration office. So we're going north. So after that we will come back down to this region where it's supposedly a little bit warmer and a little less windy and stormy, to wait out the winter. There's all these things that we need to consider as liveaboard sailors, and if the weather stays nice we might even head further south for some adventures, but there's not much further south to see. There's a little bit, but this is where it's at. So yeah, heading back past Fethiye today, hopefully. So part way back to Fethiye, we didn't have any wind, so we found this little bay, and it's a bay just for 2 boats.
Arms go everywhere, trying to suck into Hey.
Tell me when. Wow, it is a big rock.
Lucky I did it. If you guys hadn't done that, that would have been.
Yeah, it would have been a sudden stop. Eyes peeled for any rocks. Can't see any from here, but wow, another one. Kizil Island near Fethiye, Turkey, and once again it's the most stunning, beautiful little spot, crystal clear water, and once again the beaches are atrocious, filled with plastic that's blown up from nearby towns and cities, and other plastic that's probably been left by picnickers. So it's super disappointing to see beautiful places being treated so poorly. So today we're going to do what we've started doing, and that's tidying up the places that we visit. It's not fair that we don't leave them better than what we started with, so we're going to go and do some rubbish. There's 5 little beaches around here, and they've all got varying amounts of rubbish. It should take us about a morning, I think, and hopefully one of the visiting day boats or goulettes will come and help take the rubbish away, because that's always an issue as well. So yeah, we'll go and tidy the place up. More water bottles, plastic cups, aluminium cans, plastic, friggin' plastic, polystyrene, lazy picnickers, just gets everywhere. pretty full sacks of rubbish, and they're only little pieces, mostly just hundreds if not thousands of pieces of plastic.
That's troublesome for the fish, because they think it's something eatable.
And then you pick up a plastic cup. I'll see if I can demonstrate it, like this one here. Check out this. This is a plastic cup, and it's already starting to degrade. You think, oh, well, that's good, it's disappearing. Well, actually, it's not good, because tiny little microplastics are just blowing everywhere. And that's the stuff that goes into the very small and first parts of the food chain. Not to mention glass, which we're a bit shy about, given our daughter's recent horrible injury. Here's another.
Lots of styrofoam, big and small.
Polystyrene. We're encouraging people when they go anywhere outdoors or anywhere at all to think about what you're doing with your rubbish. Look after it until it goes back in the bin. More so, don't buy plastic in the first place. I mean, we do, we have to, we all do, but buy big quantities and serve it out into little glass bottles. Mayonnaise and sauce sachets. Don't buy single wrap kids food. Don't buy single serve bottles of things. Like even little 3 packs of biscuits. It's terrible. Just think about it. As you can see, this bay is pretty popular for visitors, and there are tourist boats that come here, big ones, and people swim here, so we're not going to try and embarrass a tourist boat, but we're hoping they'll take our collection of bags, because we simply don't have room for them on our yacht, and we've got no way of disposing, but they do, so we'll hopefully get someone to pick them up for us.
What just happened?
Well, a goulette pulled up and one of the crew jumped off and grabbed 2 bags, and I got the other 2 bags and asked him, and he thanked me for tidying up the beach.
So cool. How did he know what it was? Did he know what it was?
I guess he didn't want to see rubbish bags left on the beach. And I said we just did 3 bags, and he went, thank you. So 3 beaches rather.
It's nice.
Yeah, so it means that while we think people don't care, I think they do care. Some people do.
It's a good idea.
The tourist operators, you know, this is their livelihood, showing people beautiful, pristine water, and to see a beach that they can be proudly showing their punters is a good thing. That's nice.
It's a good idea, and all the tourists. And how long did it take us to tidy up 3 beaches?
I don't know. Was it 2 hours? 1 hour?
I would say less than 2 hours. So it's not much effort. It gets our butts moving. It leaves the places we travel at a better place when we arrived.
Yeah, so we joined an app called Literacy. I don't know how good it is, but I've set a challenge to all the cruising sailors in Turkey, and hopefully it'll spread. If they enjoy being at a beautiful beach, how about just tidying it up? Doesn't matter who dropped it, but you know, it takes a short amount of time, helps the environment, and shows you care. We don't pay anything to anchor here, so this is the payment.
And many hands make light work, so
Yeah.
if everybody did a little bit.
Yeah, and you know, the thing is, the plastic is not going away. It's not going away. It's got to be picked up.
No, and as we actually picked it up, already the next load is arriving in the water, so it
Be an
needs to
ongoing
be-
thing until the rest of the world and the community get their the production of plastic and packaging sorted.
Their consumer choices.
Consumer choice is not going to change, but for me, this is the smallest thing we can do. I just hope we don't ever come to a beach that we can't deal to, because already these are pretty big tasks. I mean, full bags of plastic. We've got to buy the plastic bags, and thank goodness people are taking the rubbish away.
Video.
So
I'm not sure about the voiceover.
It's happening loose.
It's too funny to do either.
I'll take him around again and get the pirates.
I'll take him around again and ditch them.